we are presenting in the Panasonic booth at ISE the new 55 inches video wall. So the reason for a video wall is to make a big impact with a big image. So when we have introduced this new video wall, we made this a key to have a very small bezel, so then you cannot notice the difference between the screens. We've made it very bright with 800 candelas, so you can always have in any space a lot of impact with the product. And on top we've made it very robust. So we increased the thickness of the metal frame to double of the average in the market. So we have a very robust display. Okay, so we are presenting the new large LCD displays again at ISE. So this sample here is our 70 inches, which together with the 80 inches complement the lineup for signage application rental. So those screens come with very high brightness, 700 candelas, and direct LED backlight. And it allows you to use them for any kind of application for signage, like replacing posters for theater, like this occasion here. And then we will move to show a rental application of the same screens. Now we see here with a rental application. So the flexibility of this screen allows us a lot of benefits on the rental industry. So for example, we have this special InAVate hanging system. So thanks to that unique feature, you can hang the product from a truss or from anywhere. And the flexibility of the product comes as well with some optional glass, like this one here, which protects the LCD from any incidents. This together with a very light product, below 50 kilos for the 70 inches product, makes it the ideal product for rental and staging.
Here we have the new LFX6. It's the first in our new range of outdoor displays. This model has been designed with sunlight readability in mind, so it's 1000 candela, more than bright enough to be read in direct sunlight. It also has some other technologies intended to make it capable to be used in a hostile outdoor environment. So it has high-speed cooling fans in the back. You can see that it's quite a fair bit thicker than a typical indoor LCD, and the reason for that is a thick band of aluminium heat sinks around the edge and around the inside. Of course, it's also very vandal resistant, being an IP44 rated screen, so you can take a lot more abuse than a typical LCD can. And the final and very important new feature that we've added to the screens is Digital Link. Now, Digital Link, as you've probably seen on the projectors, is a great way of sending maintenance, feedback, control, and of course the signal over a single Cat5 or Cat6 cable, simplifying and significantly reducing the cost of cabling to a large number of screens in an outdoor environment.
Welcome to the education corner for Panasonic at ISE. Going to show you a new product that will be available very shortly. This is an 85-inch plasma, so toughened glass on the front, and it's full high definition and 3D enabled. It uses a light detection system for the interactive part, so this means that every pixel in the screen actually transmits its address of where it is on the display. This is then picked up by a sensor that's in the electronic pen, and this information is then fed wirelessly back to the PC. So if I just choose pen colour here, this is how it detects, nice and fast and accurate drawing. The pens themselves are multifunction, and we have a standard set of software tools here which give you access to things like pens, highlighters, shapes, etc, etc. You can obviously save any notes that are on the screen, and you have a variety of different file formats that you can choose from, and also if you want to, you can also send and print this information directly from the screen by email or your default printer. This particular model, there are different sizes of screen available. So currently we have a 65-inch version. This is 85 and available very shortly, and we also have a smaller 50-inch version that will be available this summer with some enhanced interactivity.